In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to GoHighLevel landing page. By the end, your Typeform account will be securely linked to GoHighLevel so you can route form responses into your CRM and prepare them for use on your landing pages. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct GoHighLevel sub-account or location where your landing page lives and that you have access to a Typeform account you're allowed to connect. Having admin or appropriate permissions in GoHighLevel will make this smoother. Start by opening GoHighLevel and navigating to your workspace. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner and select Settings. This is the control center for your account configuration and where all integrations live. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the location name at the top to ensure you're adjusting settings for the right one. Inside Settings, find and click Integrations on the left-hand menu. This page lists the tools you can connect to extend GoHighLevel's functionality. You can browse through the catalog to get familiar with what's available, but for now we'll focus on Typeform. Use the search bar and type Typeform. When Typeform appears, select it to open the connection option. Click Connect. A secure authorization window will prompt you to sign in to Typeform if you aren't already. Follow the on-screen steps to approve access. You may be asked to confirm which workspace to connect and to grant specific permissions so GoHighLevel can read your forms and bring submissions into your account. Review the permissions, then accept to continue. Once authorization completes, return to the integrations page and look for a confirmation that Typeform is connected. You should see a connected status indicator. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. If you run into an issue, check for pop-up blockers, ensure you're using the correct Typeform login, and verify you have permission to connect integrations and GoHighLevel. Repeating the connect flow usually resolves temporary authorization hiccups. With the connection established, your account is ready to use Typeform data in GoHighLevel. This integration lets you capture responses from your Typeform and use them inside your CRM for contacts, automations, and follow-ups. From here, you can continue building your landing page experience in GoHighLevel and reference your Typeform as needed. Keep your credentials secure and periodically review integration permissions to maintain compliance with your organization's policies. That's it. Your Typeform is now connected to GoHighLevel, setting the stage for smooth data capture on your landing pages. Thanks for watching and happy building.